welcome to the Assembly Rooms in Edinburgh, which is stunning. Isn't it gorgeous? Hopefully you can see properly, but isn't it just amazing? We'll have a little wander around. We can get in today because this is part of Open Doors Day, where various public buildings open their doors to the public, and you can get in and see. Privet, welcome. Good afternoon. So just look at that magnificent chandelier. 3 of them here. It is so incredibly beautiful. It's not my phone, by the way. It's so opulent. It's just stunning. Look at this massive mirror, just right up to the ceiling. And the ceiling rose is gilded. They look dangerous. Yeah, thank you, Rodney. There's a little talk going on at the moment. Nice place. Not me. There's a stage there with another crystal chandelier. Just incredible. Look at that mirror. Like, I'll prove it's a mirror. There's me. Isn't it stunning? It is beautiful. It really is. You want to live here? So this was high society in Edinburgh in the 1700s and 1800s, and you'd get great parties here, balls and performances, music performances. It's where the highest of high society would come and be entertained and entertain each other. Look at that. Look at those chandeliers in the mirror. Yeah, exactly. And there. And there's a few rooms here, all magnificent. Again, just look at those chandeliers. And the fireplaces. It's just stunning, isn't it? Oh, Margot. Oh, Maggie. So it's been restored many times. Can't get into the balcony, unfortunately, today. It's not a hotel. It's not a hotel, no. It's used now for weddings and conferences and things like that. It's expensive. It's expensive though. It's just amazing, isn't it? It's amazing. Look, Chris. Once married there, eh? You can see where we are on George Street, right there. When I have my wedding here, you're all invited, yes, definitely. How high is the ceiling? Well, you can see the people along there, so that gives you an idea of how tall it is. Not even a wedding, yeah, so it was when the new town, that you can see the new town buildings there, when the new town is being built in the 1700s and 1800s, the highest society people, the very poshest people, the richest and most well-to-do, the lords and the countesses and all of those people, and the new money as well, the bankers, etc. They all wanted a place to entertain each other and enjoy themselves. And they built the Assembly Rooms as one of the centerpieces of the Edinburgh New Town. I thought it was very alright, did you hear? So they built this building, the Assembly Rooms, to be the focal point of high society. See, it worked. It's glorious. Posh, posh people, yes. Not somebody's home, no, never was. It was always a public building. So there's a talk going on at the moment about how to behave in Georgian society. We'll just listen a little bit if we can. Yes, not far from the door. Have you ever done an angry flutter? I assume you have. I assume most of you ladies have.
Who can remember what to do if you want the gentleman to kiss you? That's right. Just under your chin. And remember to put your hand out as a wee reminder. Don't want to kiss you. Right. You have just asked the little man that has made an improper suggestion and you want him to leave. Which side of your face is it? Correct. It's the left.
Let's have a look at some of the other rooms.
Some of you seem to have an extra leg. Oh, right. You don't want him to leave, which is not worrying. You've spotted him on the other side of the room and you want him back. Do you, ladies? Remember that? It's usual. Nice and slowly. And then lift up.
Yeah, perfect for dancing, that's right. You'd get all the most fashionable dances here, the waltzes. You wouldn't go for anything like a tango or anything like that, though. Would not be done. Would not be done. You can see, no, I don't think, no, not that old. But you do have, as you can see, an original Georgian flat screen television along there. Strictly ballroom, that's right. You can imagine people gathering by the fire there, sitting, warming themselves up by the fire. People with powdered wigs. Again, more wonderful mirrors. That mirror really shines. Yes, toasting chestnuts, that's right. Oh yes, you can imagine that, can't you? You can imagine David Tennant coming out of that, can't you? It's wonderful. Let's get a bit closer and see some of the gilding. Yes, politics and religion. Of course, Edinburgh, the new town of Edinburgh, was very much a wonderful Renaissance place. Well, after Renaissance, but it was so many intellectuals would come or live here, like Sir Walter Scott and David Hume and Robert Louis Stevenson. They would, I mean, I'm sure those people there, they would have been here at the assembly rooms discussing all the latest intellectual findings with people like Mary Somerville and so on. You think there's a secret button, a button that you press? Maybe that's it down there, if you think. button you press and the fireplace revolves. Takes you back to 18th century. I'm not wearing proper attire, no, sorry. It's gorgeous, isn't it? Yeah. I'm very much one of the commoners. Very much not welcome here ordinarily. Thank you, Big Stuff Bunny. Chandelier. Isn't it wonderful? No, it is right in the middle of the city. It's right in the middle of the city. That's George Street there. Sounds like it calls, yes. So you can see roughly the kind of style of buildings. This is far more grand than any of those houses. There's a big portico with columns outside. But you can imagine it's in that sort of style, right in the middle of Edinburgh. Take a few photos of this place and put them on my Twitter. Yeah, the echo, that's right. Of course, there's no carpet in there. So that helps an echo. Can you see your flag there, anybody? What flags do you see? I think it's Scotland. And I can see Sweden, Austria, Poland, Greece, Australia, Canada, Italy, Germany, Spain, Denmark, Czech Republic, Hungary, Switzerland, France, America. Oh, that's Edinburgh there, by the way. That castle is the flag of Edinburgh. Where's that? Antigua or somewhere? Canada's in there, yes. There's Canada. There's Wales, Mexico. There's Canada. It's just a stunning place, isn't it? It's stunning. Giant storms downstairs. Bulgarian, did we see it? Yes, I think it's Bulgaria. Where's Bulgaria? That's Italy. Is that Bulgaria there? It's Pakistan, I think. Jamaica. Russia there. There's Russia, Holland, Belgium, Portugal. Japan. Yeah, terrific. up here, or walking down here with a full ball gown. Isn't it just a wonderful place? Isn't it just stunning? So there's a number of buildings open today. Open Doors building, where you can go and enjoy buildings that are normally closed, which happens every year. It's part of the European Open Doors sort of weekend or week. So we've seen the assembly rooms, so I'll take a few photos, walking carefully as always. I'll take a few photos and put them on my Twitter. And you can see that who's shouting. Well, there's a little talk being given over at the end about Greenwich Society. So that'll do, I think. Thank you for watching, everybody. Thank you very much, and your super hearts. And thank you for your comments and your questions as always. And I'll see you another time. Thanks for watching, everybody. Bye bye.